This now we are going to start the machine. You can see this electrical panel will set upward for the easy operation and easy visibility. You can lock this as with the help of this pin from the both sides, and this become panel easy to operate as per the height. Now we'll start the machine. This is the direct board. Without ignition, also without the power switch, also we can operate this board for end of light, grinder, welding machine, and anything which needs before operation for as a support. Online now we are going to on this machine main switch. You can see this is the system. This machine is on. Currently this shows that the machine is running in the forward mode, and after the completion of this 1800 seconds, with after a half hour, it will be automatically changes to the reverse option. We'll see that also. This is the automatic panel which is already set. As per the requirement, you can set the time of the motor on off. This panel will on off the system, on off the flow motor, and this timer will automatically make the function reverse forward for the better effect. And due to the intervals of the 5 minutes approximately, the system will work soaking and flushing. भिगो के धो डाला. First it will flow the chemical to your heat exchanger, then after it will take soaking effect for 5 minutes or whatever time we will recommend it as per the setting. And this is complete auto panel. You can see there is a manual. Right now it's in manual mode, and when we'll operate the system, it will be on the auto mode. Like that this system will work, and it will give you the best effect which we already shown in our other videos, and the heat exchanger photos we have, which we have done serviced. The effect of the internal tubes you can check. Up to the 1 mm scale, it can be dissolved easily. This is the 360 degree rotated machine again. You can see when the forward option is on, the flow will be come out from this nozzle forward, and in back from this nozzle reverse. And when the effect will change, the chemical will come out from this reverse, and it will again back through forward nozzle to the tank, and like this it will be vice versa going. And as per the requirement, we can operate it for 4 to 8 hours as required. This is the fog. You can check. This is the fog out. When the descaling effect is going on, that generates the fog, and that will be come out from this way. We can put the hose pipe here, and we can drain it anywhere. This is the feed. This is the feed for the chemical, and this is the drain after the complete working is done. Like this working will be completed. The machine can flush with fresh water, and your job can be completed, and you can reuse your job on the line. Now this is our final machine, and very soon it will be available for you for services of the heat exchanger. Thank you.